This video explains how to replace a malfunctioning or damaged flare sensor unit at your site. Electronic components are susceptible to damage from electrostatic discharges. ESD-caused damage may not be evident and may drastically reduce product lifespan. Whenever working with or handling exposed components or assemblies, always follow these anti-ESD recommendations. Use protective anti-ESD devices like wrist straps, heel straps, conductive shoes, and anti-static mats. Avoid handling exposed boards and assemblies in dry or static-prone environments. Hold circuit boards by their edges and avoid touching components. When not in use, store circuit boards in anti-static bags.
When replacing a unit, you typically only need to replace the board and not the enclosure. Whenever possible, leave the enclosure in place during the replacement process.
The placement and orientation of enclosure must remain exactly as it was. If the enclosure is moved, you may need to recalibrate the area after replacement. A PPD test in the area will indicate if recalibration is required. Ensure that the replacement board is correctly configured and tested, as shown in the Configuring Sensor Units set of videos. The replacement board should include an identification label. To replace a flare sensor unit, detach the sensor unit cover by removing the 6 No. 2 Phillips screws. Detach the network cable. Inspect the cable for any damage. If the cable is undamaged, leave it inside the enclosure while you are working. If it is damaged, you will need to replace it. Remove the existing circuit board. While following proper ESD precautions, insert the replacement board into the enclosure and secure it. Attach the network cable. The replacement sensor unit will automatically power on. Reattach the cover. If using a drill, set the torque to its lowest value, hand tight. After installing the replacement sensor unit, confirm its operation in the Network Manager front panel software. The status light for the sensor unit should be green. Quickly test the sensor unit's basic operation by activating a PPD several times in the area near the sensor. See the video, Calibrating the System, for detailed information regarding sensor unit testing